everybody, hope you are all well. Miss Laycock here with a phonics and spelling session, and your spellings this week, if you are one of our year 2 children, are all key words. So we're going to read them out loud on the next screen, and then we're going to look to see if you notice anything that's similar with some of them. Then we will do our look, say, cover, write check. So it's up to you now if you would like to spell these words verbally, so you're just saying them out loud, or if you want to record them down on a piece of paper. So either way is absolutely fine. Okay, ready to read the spellings? Let's start. Very, mean, brother, which, other, another. Let's read them again from the bottom. Another, other, which, brother, mean, very. Just want to point out this spelling of which is not like a wicked witch of the west, okay? That's a different spelling. This one is which chocolate bar would you like, okay? Right then, have a little look at these key words. Is there anything you noticed about some of them? What is the same? Well done if you spotted it. There are 3 spellings that end in the same letters, and it's these 3. Brother, another, and other. They all, in fact, end in the word other, O-T-H-E-R. So if you notice, brother has other on the end, so it's other, O-T-H-E-R, O-T-H-E-R. So in brother, the end part is other, and in another, the end part is other, and then other obviously is the word standing on its own. So when you're spelling these 3, if you can write other, then you can definitely write brother and an other. So you just put an in front of another and br in front of brother. Okay? Right then, let's do the spellings. So again, like I said, you can say them out loud or you can write them down on your own piece of paper. Just have a go. Very, very. Have a go at spelling very. Let's have a look at the spelling of very. Did you get V-E-R-Y? Very. Mean, mean, mean. Let's have a look at the spelling of mean. It's M-E-A-N. M-E-A-N. Mean. Next one. Brother. Brother. Have a go at writing or saying brother. Are you ready to check the spelling? Did you get B-R-O-T-H-E-R? Brother. Br. Other. Brother. Well done if you did. Let's have a look at the next spelling. Which. Which. Which cereal would you like for breakfast? Which. Let's have a look at the spelling of which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. Other. Other. Are you ready to check the spelling of other? O-T-H-E-R. Other. O-T-H-E-R. Next one. Another. 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 Have a go at saying or writing another. Are you ready to check the spelling? A-N-O-T-H-E-R. An, other. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. Well done. Okay, so now it's time to read the sentences containing the spelling words. Now I've taken the punctuation off, so once you've read it, I also would like you to think about what punctuation you would use at the end of that sentence. Okay? Now, top tip is to think, is it a question sentence, a command, a statement? That will help you think about which punctuation mark to use. So there's exclamation, full stop, and question mark. So I'll flick to each slide and give you some time to read it. If you need any more time, just feel free to pause the video and then come back once you're ready. So have a go at reading the sentence and then say what punctuation mark you would put at the end of it. Okay. Okay, well done everyone. Great reading. So it's time for question time. First question. What is a command? What is a command sentence? So have a little think. Okay, well done. Now, in year 2, we love command sentences because we can be very bossy. Commands are bossy instructions, so they are commanding someone to do something. So, like in my last one, I said, go and get me another pencil and make sure it is sharp. That is a command because I'm making someone go and get me another pencil. Okay, so we're being very bossy when we command. And second question, what is a question? So what is a question sentence? That's right, well done. A question is asking the reader something. So a question sentence always requires an answer. For instance, which is your favourite ice cream? Someone would respond to me and tell me which is their favourite ice cream. So a question is asking the reader something and it requires an answer. Okay, well done guys. Well done for following along our phonics session. Now I'm just going to go through a few things if you want to take it on into phonics writing. There is no pressure to do that, so don't worry. It's just if you wanted to. So, usually in year 2 we do our phonics and then we take the same spelling words and put them into meaningful sentences. And these can include funny ones as well, but as long as they make sense, okay? Now in year 2 our main targets are reading our sentences back and checking to see if they make sense. So if they don't, it's fine because then we can edit them. So as long as you can spot any errors in your sentences, that's absolutely fine. That's why we must check them back. So, in year 2 now, every statement sentence must include a conjunction, okay? So, for example, and, because, but, when, also, or, if, and although, and there are several more. but statement sentences can include conjunctions to extend and add a bit more detail. And Year 2 are great at this, so keep it up, Year 2. Don't worry if you're writing a question sentence or a command sentence and you just can't get a conjunction in. That's fine. Not all commands and questions lend themselves to include a conjunction, but every statement sentence can. Okay. Top tip: say your sentence verbally. So once you've thought of it, say it out loud. Does it make sense? Is it all right? Is there anything you want to change or add? So say it first and then you can write. Once you've written your sentence, read it back. Does it make sense? This is the time to spot any errors. Have you missed out a word? Have you spelt something wrong? Then if you have, no worries, because then you can edit it and add it in. And then also, don't forget, what punctuation mark does it need? It's not a complete sentence if it's not ended with a punctuation mark. Is it a question? Does it need a question mark? Does it need an exclamation mark? Is it a really, really funny sentence? Is it a command? Or does it need a full stop? So well done if you are going to take your spellings on into phonics writing. That is fantastic. Now, also, you don't have to write them all down. You might want to say a couple verbally and write a couple. That's absolutely fine too. Any little thing is fine. So well done for doing it. So have a little go with those spellings, and I will see you all next week. Bye.